Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching ports and power so the connection is predictable. Plug the TV into power and turn it on. Set the input to the port you plan to use. On your laptop, open display settings so you can change outputs once the cable is connected. If you need an adapter, attach it now. An active adapter for USB-C or display port prevents signal loss. Once done, move to the physical connection step. Don't skip confirming the TV input. You now make the signal travel. Plug the cable from laptop into the TV and secure any adapter. On Windows, press Windows plus P or open display settings to choose duplicate or extend and set resolution to match the TV, often 16:9, 1080p. On a Mac, open displays and press detect displays if needed. Pick mirror or use as separate display. Make sure audio output switches to the TV in sound settings, so PowerPoint audio plays through the TV speakers. You finish by optimizing PowerPoint for the TV. In PowerPoint, open Setup Slideshow and select the display you want. Enable Presenter View if you need notes. Check slide aspect ratio and match it to the TV to avoid black bars or cropping. Change resolution in the OS if slides look off. Play a test slide with audio and video to confirm audio-visual sync. If something fails, try reseating cables and switching to another HDMI port. That single tip often fixes signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.